starts off the show as a little boy, and we kind of discover his journey through the show, and it's kind of about him and him dealing with growing up, really. One of my most embarrassing stories when I was a kid was I was in the schoolyard. I was doing a dance routine with some of my friends, and a group of boys were playing football on the yard. And I was showing off, and then all of a sudden this ball came into my direction and smacked me straight in the face, and I fell over. You should come and see The Emperor's New Clothes because it's fun, it's imaginative, and